Welcome to Autoserve and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at tyre replacements and repairs. We'll look at what that means for you as part of your Guaranteed Maintenance package. We all know that tyres play a crucial role in vehicle safety, which should not be compromised. As part of your Guaranteed Maintenance contract, we'll replace your tyres once the tread depth is worn to 2 mil or below. This is above the legal tread limit of 1.6 mil. If at any time during the contract period your vehicle's tyres need replacing because the tread depth is worn to 2 mil or less due to fair wear and tear, you will need to take the vehicle to one of our approved tyre partners to be replaced. When you arrive, you'll need to inform them that you are an Autoserve customer. You can pre-book via our website, or you can simply walk in. Our approved tyre partners can be found on our website. After inspecting the vehicle's tyres, the tyre centre will then contact Autoserve for authorisation and will replace the tyres if authorised to do so. Any sidewall, shoulder damage or requests for the purchase or fitting of winter tyres is not included and will not be authorised. Our tyre policy can be found in your driver handbook, in your terms and on our website. Remember, whether it's an accident, breakdown or an urgent tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Goodbye for now.